Hello, we are RiskConcile, a European risk management and solution provider. This video guides you through our newest product, PRIIPS Lab. PRIIPS Lab is in fact a powerful computation engine to handle complex calculations of financial instruments, called PRIIPs. This abbreviation stands for Package Retail Investment and Insurance Products. As you probably know, two topics dominate everybody's agenda. First of all, MiFID II, and secondly, PRIIPs regulation, which was recently approved by the European Parliament. Our focus in this presentation is on PRIIPs, and more particularly on their calculation. PRIIPS Lab covers in depth two categories of PRIIPs, Category 2 and 3, as you can see here. For those of you who are not familiar with these categories, Category 3 deals with the instruments carrying embedded structured products, like autocallables, reverse convertibles, and equity-linked notes. Category 2 are financial investment products without embedded leverage. As you can see, PRIIPS Lab offers an extended range of financial instruments. As a provider of financial instruments, you need to provide a key information document. You perhaps know this better as a KID. The KID indicates how risky an instrument is. This risk indicator is called the SRI. The SRI score is a number in a range between 1 and 7. And indicates to the investor how risky the instrument is, both in terms of credit and market risk. The calculation of this SRI is what PRIIPS Lab handles. Now let's look in detail to a Category 2 product, a standard European fund, for example. To know more about the product, you click on Details. This interface gives an overview about the technicalities of your product. You could also submit the proxy. Then it will be shown here. A proxy is an instrument whose return can be used in case the financial instrument does not have an adequate price history. This product, shown here, does not need such a proxy. If you now scroll down, PRIIPS Lab also provides graphical interactive features. Now, what makes PRIIPS Lab so unique is it enables you to track the evolution of the SRI score and many other risk-related features of your asset. An alert mechanism has been provided. PRIIPS Lab notifies the user if there is a change in risk rating, a change which might lead to a modification of the KID. If you want more detailed information on the simulation and the data, you can download an Excel file on the top of the overview. Category 3 offers a very broad range of financial instruments, from single asset to multi-asset. Now let's make an autocallable and give it a name. We label it Auto. You can choose the issuer, the currency, and the underlying of the autocallable. In every Category 3 product, you can add a prospectus and many more information you might require, simply by clicking on the Choose Files button in the attachment section. For an autocallable, you can adjust every parameter, like the barrier, coupon, call dates, and so on. The interface is very user-friendly and provides an overview of all the parameters of the product. Let's choose the autocallable that is provided here by default to simulate a financial instrument. What makes PRIIPS Lab so handy is that it provides an interactive graphical interface and fully transparent calculations for a wide range of products. For a Category 3 product, like an autocallable, you can see a selection of the 10,000 Monte Carlo paths based on the bootstrap of the underlying's history. You are able to understand how each Monte Carlo path generates a corresponding cash flow. See how, simply by clicking all the other paths away, you have an immediate focus on the path you want to investigate. You also see the simulated cash flows, distribution of price return, and the calculation history of your Category 3 product. PRIIPS Lab can calculate several PRIIPs at the same time. Hence, it is easy to update financial products. You can create and maintain your own currencies, equities, indices, issuers, and so on in PRIIPS Lab. For example, in equities we have provided a whole range of them in the demo version. PRIIPS Lab can be accessed from every internet-connected device and provides a dedicated database and calculation server for every client. We also provide a team of quant developers to develop tailor-made templates. Thank you for your attention. If you want any more information about PRIIPs or PRIIPS Lab, Do not hesitate to visit our site www.RiskConcile.com and contact us.